Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. So is the Dreame N20 steam spot cleaner Just a Dad approved? It absolutely is. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. This is Home of the Honest Review. I did purchase this product with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video, but I do use links. So if you purchase this product off of my website, justadadapproved.com, or in this video, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. Now, as far as spot cleaners are concerned, this thing is next level because it can do three things. Normal spot cleaners just spray and suck. This actually has a steam attachment, which is for like cleaning grout and stuff, but it also can do steam cleaning on carpet and hot water washing on carpet and just cold water too. Up here, we're gonna try each one of these. We're gonna do just wash, hot wash, steam wash, which is really cool. And then that's when you can put when you wanna put the special steam like grout cleaning tool, we're gonna put that on. Simple to use, it's got a nice carrying handle. I've got the clean water tank full. This is the dirty water tank we'll empty at the end. Here's where you can put the solution. Okay, first let's put it on hot water wash. It's gonna shoot out hot water. And you've got great suction like a spot cleaner, but the water's hot. And it's really hot. Again, shoots out right there. I can really scrub. Got good suction. Okay, let's say we come across a stubborn stain. Let's go to steam. Now when I squirt the button, steam's gonna come out. It's gotta build up the steam a little bit. It's gonna beep at us when it's ready for steam. Okay, the light is solid on steam wash. Look at that. That's coming out that you can clean carpet with. Now you don't get much water with that, but that can really clean a stain like a toy, something you just want to steam clean. You still have suction, but you got really good steam. Now you could go back to hot water. Now it's going to squirt hot water out. That water is really hot. Let me show you hose clean for this. Be careful, that was hot. We're going to put that on. We're going to turn it on wash. Press the trigger, it's cleaning the wand. Then take that off, let it air dry. Okay, now let's put this attachment on. This attachment is no suction. It cuts the suction off, but let's turn it on, steam only. Now when I press that trigger, I'm gonna get steam. It's gotta build up the pressure a little bit. Okay, it beeps at you when you're on steam mode, sorry about that. So when you first press the trigger, you do get some water out, so be careful. But that is steam. Now you're not going to use this on carpet. You're going to clean like grout or something. I do have different attachments I can put on. Again, this all stays nice and cool down here. Pretty incredible. This thing is packed with features. Wow. Dirty water tank. I love that you can take it over to the sink. This comes off and then I can rinse that out and clean it. So overall, the solution, be careful if you do. Sometimes I was getting a few drops off the side or underneath the unit from this. So I might take this off every time or something, but I think I did have mine tip over on me one time and the solution came out or something. So you could have two items like a steamer and a spot cleaner all in one. Now, there's a lot going on to this, and I'm gonna, in the next part of this video, I'm gonna show you the unboxing. We go through all the parts, I measure everything, currents, voltages, how big everything is, how to put it together. There is some assembly. It does come in a really small box, and this was kind of tricky. The cord wrap and the hose wrap are a little tricky to put together. So, unboxing, again, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. You can see all the products that I highly recommend. I do robot vacuum cleaners, wet dry floor mops, cordless vacs, upright vacuum cleaners. Again, this is Home of the Honest Review. I just try to bring a dad's common sense approach to testing products. And you can find all the information on my website. How I scored this, why did it get the Just a Dad approved sticker? Well, I've got a scoring system and you can see that on my website, justadadapproved.com, and you can see how it stacks up against others. If you want to see the scoring system on the Bissell Little Green Mini, Hoover, we've got Shark stain strikers. You can check all those on my website. Unboxing on the Dreame N20 steam cleaner. This is a portable steam cleaner spot cleaner. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now, There is some assembly required, which I'm going to show you exactly how to assemble it. But first, let's go over everything that's in the box. We got the hose. We've got some tools. We got some descale pouches, the cleaning solution, a manual. These are for the steam wand when you're using steam only. These are little rubber stoppers that go on the bottom, hose cleaning hose attachment for the machine. This is your cleaning attachment, and here's for your spot cleaner. Now on this side, we've got to attach this. So the first thing you're going to do is unwind the power cord from this, but we got to attach the hose first. Now the hose is 5 feet long. It'll just go one way. There's a spot right there. You're going to push in. I was really expecting that to kind of click into place or something, but you just push it in and it stops. It will come back out, but you're going to push it in. Yeah, it's in all the way. Unwind the cord from this. Okay, when it's unwound, you got to kind of pull the cord through. All right, so yeah, you're going to pull the cord through till you get it almost all the way up there. You're going to see this little symbol. You want to be able to read that. We got to put it in and rotate it. It's a little tricky, actually. We want the sticker to be up, so pull in. Now it's going to come out the front here. There, now we can see. So yeah, you're going to start. So it should be able to go in and flush with the sticker and the arrow. Now you're going to rotate it till it clicks into place. Now you can wind the cord up. And the cord is 15 feet long. Wind it up and store it. Now plugging this in, now keep in mind, this is a steam cleaner and a hot washer. So when you got both the hot wash and the steam on, 1,600 watts of power is consumed. When you just have steam, it's 1,000 watts. All right, let's find this. Let's insert this like that. And you're gonna wind the hose around. All right, let's go over the machine. There's 2 tanks. This is a solution tank. So you're going to put the solution in here. It comes with a sample bottle. It's called the fabric cleaner. It's called the Dreame fabric cleaner solution. Now you pour this in full strength. You don't dilute this. You determine whether it mixes it with this or not with just plain water in the machine settings. There's a little screen on there that might need cleaned once in a while. Now this is the clean water tank. So you're just going to fill this up with clean water. Because when you're doing steam, it'll pull from just this tank here. No real max line, so just filled up right there. Now this is the dirty water tank. Lift up. Now there is a float here. This has a feature that will shut the machine off when the dirty water tank gets above the max. That's nice. And so this, oh yeah, there's this little lever here. Pull. I can get in there and wash that with a brush, scrub all of that, put it back. There is a little foam filter down in there I may have to clean once in a while. Nope. And then here's the solution. Now you got different modes of operation. You're going to turn it on and you can select wash, which is cold water and solution. Hot wash is hot water and solution. Steam wash is steam and solution. Steam only. That's steam only, and you got to put the different attachments on. So for those first 3 I showed you, you're going to use this attachment, like a standard spot cleaner. The solution comes out right here, or the steam. When I press the button, again, wash, hot wash, or steam wash, you use this tool. Now, when you go to steam only, that's when you use this tool. There's no more suction, or you do have some suction there, but you're not sucking up anything. You're simply just cleaning. You're simply just steaming. When I press the trigger, steam's going to come out there. This is like a grout tool. And this is like a general purpose, just spray nozzle. Now this could be hot, so be careful. And then when you're done, this is the cleaning tool. So you're gonna put it on here like this, spray this, and then everything's gonna go down that to clean the hose. So don't lose that. We're gonna install these bumpers, these rubber bumpers on the bottom. Overall dimensions with the hose attached, 15 inches or 39 centimeters. Height, 14 inches or 34 centimeters, but the unit itself is only about 11 or 18. Width, it's a little wider with everything attached. Oh, I'd say about 9.5 or 24 centimeters. It does have a very nice carrying handle, but you got to remove it to remove the dirty water tank, or not, you got to stow it. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching. Now the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the Mova V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real-world score test, my real-world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.